Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you accidentally deleted important files from your Mac, or maybe your external hard drive suddenly become unreadable? Don't panic. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use this drill to recover deleted files on your Mac. Whether it's photos, videos, documents or files from an external drive, this step-by-step guide will help you recover them quickly. Let's get started. First, open your browser. First, we will download the disk drill software. Now search for disk drill for Mac. Then press enter. Now you can see here disk drill official site. Click on this link. Now you can see here disk drill free download button. Click on it. It will redirect you the downloading page. As you can see, disk drill is downloading. Click on allow. As you can see, the disk drill.dmg file is downloading. Let the download be done first. Once it is done, we will install it. Now double click on the DMG file. Now just drag this disk drill to the application folder like this. And that's it. Now we will open the disk drill. You can see here it is downloaded. You can open it from your launchpad or from your spotlight search. Just click on it first. After clicking, if macOS asks for permissions, simply allow them. These permissions let disk drill scan your storage device properly. Click on open. Click on install now. Provide your Mac password here. As you can see, it is asking for the permission. Just open your system preferences. Now go on security and privacy. Now you can see here the privacy tab. Click on it. Now click on the lock button. Now provide your Mac password here. You can see it from here what permission it is asking for. Full disk access. Okay. You can see here full disk access. Click on it. Okay, just drag this to application here and click on quit and reopen. That's it. Now let's open the disk drill. As you can see here the interface of disk drill. This is the dashboard. Now let's understand the dashboard first. When disk drill opens, you will see a list of all your storage devices. As you can see here, select the drive where your deleted files were originally stored. Let's suppose you have deleted something from boot camp. Just select it first. Okay, if the files were on the USB drive, select the USB instead. If you have inserted your USB drive, you can see here search for lost data on the right side. Click on it. The scanning time depends on your drive size. Okay, for small drives it may take just a few minutes, or larger drives it can take much longer. You will see different categories here like photos, videos, audios, documents, archives and other files. You can also use the search bar. Okay, here are few tips to improve recovery success. First, stop using the drive immediately after deleting files. The more you use it, the greater the chance deleted files will be overwritten. Second, recover files as soon as possible. And finally, always keep regular backups using Time Machine or another backup solution. Recovery software is helpful, but backups are always the safest option. So that's how you can use this drill to recover deleted files on your Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Mac tutorials every week. If you have any question, let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching.